Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the chats. I know it's been a long time. People have missed my analysis cool. That's good to know. Well, I came to show us a bit of what the market is doing right now. And by the grace of God, as we can see, our analysis has been very accurate, gave us a triple bottom and went boom. Now after breaking out, give a confusion look. But what ended it up was a falling wedge. A falling wedge leads to a trend called the bullish trend, and this was the volume that created it. And I gave told us that okay, we should be going up. And I said something that after the close of this candle should be observant because this candle is closing at resistance. Now it closed above resistance, which is this point. Okay. Now it closed above resistance, which is this point here. This was the resistance line I drew. So now I said if the next candle as well closed bullish, we would be going to 28k. Yes, this was what I said. This was the level I said. Are you seeing the price there? Yeah, we'll be going to 28k. Now Bitcoin on 28k is a total possibility. Yes, I said it again. We're going to 28k. So now the sellers came into the market and were fighting pretty hard. Yeah, people sold the market a lot. And looking at this, there is serious indecision. There, sellers are closing it, are having the last laugh of closing it, but not in good momentum. Now, today just started, and the bulls have been like, we are coming hard in this market. And guess what? That has been what has been happening for days now. Yes, it happened here. Bulls started, sellers took it to the close. Bulls collected, sellers took it to the close. Bulls collected, sellers took it to the close. Sellers started, bulls tried, but sellers still held it. The bullish, the bulls held this one, but bears took it. The bulls collected this one the day before yesterday. Bears took it. Yesterday, the bulls took it, thinking they would go trying another lock. Bears collected it. And today, the bulls have started again, but there's something unique about this bullish move. It has gone to the resistance already, and it is finding strong momentum there. And whereas our momentum indicator RSI has bounced and has bounced on 50 again, so at this point we might really start skyrocketing to the moon, else the sellers takes it. Now if by the end of today's midday, like if at the end of 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and the set buyers does not take this market above 23,600, if by the end of today's mid buyers does not take this market above 2600, there will be problem because the sellers might collect it back. So guys, just be observant before you go long. If you are a long-term trader, before you go long, please wait for the close of today. Wait for today to really close bullish. I repeat, now if you really don't want to miss the move, go on your 4 hours time frame and be like, okay, what is really happening? Now let me help us by drawing a trend line here from this point to this point. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. And just trying to help yourself to align more. You'll be like, okay, this is looking like a falling wedge, which means if it's looking like a falling wedge, we are supposed to be going long. How do you know how far you might go? The long distance move, pick it, drop. Now you measure from the top here to this bottom, and you measure it up. Now what is the target? Still at 28k, but the average target is 27,100. So guys, that is it. That is just how you move. Now what am I saying here? If on this 4 hour mark, this particular price candle, if it closes above to this point, you could go long. Yes, you could. But if it doesn't, now if it closes above with good volume, if it closes above with good volume, now this is an engulfing. Engulfing is telling us that okay, we could still continue moving. We could still continue moving. Else, else guys, we are coming back down. So please be observant. Now let me on my trend indicator Ichimoku. Now as you can see, it's perfectly as I said. Now the cloud extended up to week at 23.7, but majorly as 23.600. This is why I told you if it breaks 23.600, now though the Senku A, which is the bullish cloud, has crossed through the Senku B, which is the bearish cloud, down, which is an indicator for, dude, we might fall down in this market. But yes, it's a might, so anything could happen. Anything could happen. So there should be no panic. Just wait for the close of this 4 hours candle or the close of the daily, the close of today. So thank you very much. And PS, this 4 hour candle will be closing by 9 o'clock. So be observant. As for me, I check my trade every hour. So guys, this is the update I've brought to us on Bitcoin, and you guys should really wait. You guys should really wait for the market to move. And as well, if you want me to analyze, to chart any coin for you, or we should do it together, why not just drop it at my comment section. I'm on TikTok, the charts point 1.0, and on YouTube, Justice TV. So whichever one you follow me at, subscribe. Just make sure you hit the notification bell. Whenever I post a video, you could see it on YouTube. And also guys, also I need your comments. The quality of the video, what else to be done to make it better. So guys, thank you very much and do have a blessed day. Bye bye.